What do you think when you hear the word table? You probably picture a furniture, a flat top resting on legs where you eat or walk. But you might also picture a data chart, information organized in neat rows and columns like a spreadsheet or database. Surprisingly, these two ideas are never separate. To find their common beginning, we go back to one simple thing, the flat slab. The English word table traces its history back to the Latin word tabula. The main meaning of tabula was simple, a board, a plan, or flat top piece. This original flat surface had two main jobs. One is to support physical products or objects. Second, it was a recording service for information like a list or schedule. In early English, table meant a tablet. This was a small portable slab often covered in wax on which characters were carved, similar to the religious table of stone. The physical slab was used to hold both objects and information. Even when the word still meant slab, the organized gray shape of data was already an ancient idea. The need to see information clearly led structured visual forms starting around 1300 BCE. In the ancient Middle East, especially Sumer, scribes used graves on clay tablets to record complex business deals around 1850 BCE. This was the first organized chart called the Sumerian counting tables, complete with columns and row titles. This shows that the data meaning of table is directly linked to the physical tablet used for writing. This ancient chart came nearly 4,000 years before the modern spreadsheet. Later, Roman thinkers improved this idea. They used multi-column tables drawn in early books
scroll you were reading
to line up historical events from different nations. They also made a canonical table, which is an index chart at the front of a book to match up shared Bible verses. The flat surface of page became a key tool for viewing and organizing data. Around 1300 CE, the word table focused mainly on furniture. The older English word of the furniture piece had been board. Table came to meaning the piece of furniture with a flat top on legs because the flat top was its defining part. A clear historical link between furniture and data comes from the accounting. In counting houses, actual physical tables were covered with the check cloth. This organized checkerboard surface was used to count money owed to the king. This led to the name of King's Treasure Office. The physical table provided an organized, concrete way to handle financial information. Today, the physical table is found everywhere. At the same time, the grid structure remains the basis for organizing information in the modern world. The systematic layout developed by the ancient scribes still forms the core design for spreadsheet and the structure of database table, where columns are fields and rows are records. The two meanings of the table would never truly separate. They both grew from the simple idea of flat surface. The surface is ready to hold either physical things or abstract data.